The first thing we're doing is creating a place where you can save any work you've done in class, any files that you may want to use later on. So you go to the little waffle, open up your drive, and I always start with a new folder whenever I'm going to make a document or anything in my drive. Folder, we're going to call this folder Lesson Plans from ACC or Resources, whatever you want to call it. Create. I like to give them a color. It just helps me find what I'm looking for. And then we open it. And we're going to create a new document. And call it Links. Links and logins. Haha. And we're going to the OER. Go ahead and create an account for yourself and copy, Control C, and paste the website, and underneath it write username, password, and record whatever you came up with for that site.